Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here today, I just want to say thank you so much for viewing my channel. And if you're a return subscriber, I also want to just take this opportunity to say thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I did this rope twist using the Jamaican Twist pre-stretch braid. So this style that I'll be creating in my clients here is very simple and it's easy. This is actually my second time doing this twist here, and I find it was very difficult to get a hold of grabbing how to twist it in order to get it to stay in place. It was a struggle for me, but I got it now. So I just want to share with you, I just want to show you how I went about and do this here. So this style, I use 1.5 pack of the Jamaican Twist pre-stretch crochet braid, and I find it works very well. The beauty about this, it came already single out, so I did not have to do much work in terms of separating the hair. It already came singled out, and that was really nice and very helpful. So this video, it's pretty short, style on freshly washed hair. And I did not blow the hair. I'm just doing it on the natural hair right now. So stay tuned if you want to see how this video turns out to be. Watch this video to the end. If you like this video, please subscribe and like to my channel. I also went ahead and I did the hair, most of it already. And I'm just going to be doing the top, showing you how I was able to twist the hair. It wasn't easy for me, but if I can manage to do the twist and feel happy about it, I'm sure someone else, I'm sure you can do it too by keep practicing until you get it. I didn't get it perfectly well, but it turns out to be so beautifully and simple. So here is it. Look at it till the end of it. Let me know what you think. If you like